The Bend Unmanned Cross-Country Vehicle is a groundbreaking innovation designed for extreme terrain and versatile applications. Its development began with the goal of creating a highly adaptable, unmanned vehicle capable of navigating challenging environments. The Bend's most distinctive feature is its magnetic ball socket joint, which allows it to twist and contort, overcoming obstacles with ease. This design, inspired by mechanical joints, provides unmatched mobility, making it suitable for construction, agriculture, and research. The vehicle's ability to rotate its chassis in almost any direction gives it incredible freedom of movement, allowing it to tackle uneven surfaces, steep slopes, and tight spaces. The vehicle's wheels are another engineering marvel. Made from scrap metal and other materials like fluoroplastics and carbon, they are puncture-resistant and easy to repair. Their hollow, airless design adapts to terrain by changing shape under weak electrical currents, ensuring optimal grip. The lightweight yet durable frame, combined with inflatable air cushion wheels, enables the Bend to traverse snow, swamps, and even water. The wheel's unique construction, modeled after a combination of Michelin's 3D printed tires and NASA's chain-link designs, ensures durability and efficiency in harsh conditions. Powered by a compact battery, the Bend can operate autonomously for extended periods. A unique drone-based battery replacement system ensures continuous operation in remote areas. Solar panels have also been proposed as an alternative power source, further enhancing its sustainability. The vehicle's modular design allows for customization, enabling it to carry research equipment, construction tools, or agricultural supplies. Its fully autonomous operation means it can follow pre-programmed paths and return to base without human intervention. From its inception to its current state, the Bend represents a fusion of innovative design and practical functionality, redefining the possibilities of unmanned vehicles in extreme environments. Its applications are vast, from exploring remote research sites to assisting in disaster relief operations. The Bend is not just a vehicle. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the future of autonomous technology.